Hello guys, welcome to Kaddysempire. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this closure unit. If you're interested in, please stay tuned and watch. First of all, the first thing you need to do is take your client's head measurement, which I've done already, and I'm transferring the measurement to the wig cap. Like you can see, I'm using the canvas at 22, size 22, because my client's head size circumference is 22. So all you need to do is just drag and fit in the cup to the um canvas head, customized canvas head. Like you can see, it's all ruled out and all that. So all you need to just transfer the measurement to the wig cap and hold down with a pin, and now we've got excess cap left. The cap is too big for my client's head. If we leave it that way, the is not going the wig is not going to sit well on her head. So what we need to do is drag the excess cap left to the front and hold down with a pin. Like you guys can see, it's all flat and nice, and then we begin to sew down with a needle and thread to secure that down. And guys, I'll be doing a quick video on or short video on how to customize your canvas head, so it'll be easy for you to transfer your measurement to your wig cap. Now it's time to draw the guidelines an inch apart, following the ruler on the canvas head. So now we're going to place the closure on the wig cap. Usually I put an inch or half an inch forward so that the wig can sit perfectly on the client's head. If you don't move it forward an inch or half an inch, it makes the wig draw back and it doesn't look nice. So you put it an inch or half an inch forward, just so you can see that I've done, and you hold down with a pin, making sure that your closure is flat and nice. Just like you can see, all flat and nice. Flat and nice. And then you wrap the closure out of the way, the hair out of the way, so it doesn't disturb you when you're sewing down. So now it's time to sew down the closure. Put it in there and out. So now we're done sewing and we continue with the guideline. like I said, an inch apart, following the ruler on the canvas edge. Yeah, now it's time to sew. We'll take it off the canvas edge, and we're ready to sew the tracks on there. So the next thing you're going to do is make sure you double your weft. You can put double, triple, or put 4 weft together, or use a single weft to sew. But for me, I'll be using 3 bundles, so I'm doubling my weft so that I'll be able to use the all of the weft on the wig cap. So basically just doubling the weft. And I'll do a separate video on the setting of my sewing machine, what setting I use to do my sewing. So now it's time to sew the weft on the cap. Using the guideline, all you need to do is just place the weft on the wig cap, following the guideline, and raise your presser footer up and put your cap right underneath. And note guys, don't pull your wig cap, let the sewing machine do the job. All you just need to do is use your hand to guide and make sure that every part is smooth when sewing, and let the machine do the job. And when you start to sew, make sure you backstitch. I'll explain in a separate video what that means. So you backstitch from the beginning so that you can secure your weft, so you don't have your weft coming off, when you're wearing your wig. And as you sew along, I advise that every now and then try to adjust your cap, making sure it's flat, it's not all squeezed up together, so that you can easily sew and then you don't have bumps at the end of the sewing. Like you can see, I'm trying to guide the tracks through. I'm not stretching the cap, but I'm just guiding through so that you can stay flat. And at the end of each sewing, you make sure you backstitch, just like I'm going to be doing now. I did it at the beginning of the sewing of the track, and at the end you also backstitch to secure your weft on your wig. And another thing I always do is always check, at the end of each sewing, that your sewing is flat, no bumps and all of that, so that you don't have to sew the whole of the wig and then you begin to check and then you have to take it all off. Nobody wants that kind of stress. So always check in between. Like you can see, it's all flat and nice, no bumps, all looking nice and neat. And that's the final sewing. And then I'll be cutting away the cap right underneath the closure, to we don't need that really. So, and when you're cutting, make sure that you cut it nice and neat. And Don't cut too close, but as close as possible, but not too close, so that um you don't have the thread, you don't cut off the thread, and nobody wants to go through that stress. So that's me trimming of the fabric right underneath the closure, just like I'm doing. That's what it looks like. Yeah, and that's what it looks like, all done. And that's the finished look, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful and you would love to see more videos like this and many more others, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.